What's up guys? Today I'm at Ebikezilla. We're the 28th September of 2021. I'm here to pick up one of my other Sur Ron and take a look at the Ebikezilla shop at the same time. This shop is located in Shannon, Quebec, Canada, and we're going to take a look at it. Let's go in. So here it is, guys. So they even have this electric surfboard. This thing's crazy. Some ATVs. Nice color. Bunch of fly helmet racing. Oh, these are the beast. Some beautiful Fox 40s, back 8000. These are the new fork, the DVOs. That plate looks sick and nice wrap as well. And they are also specialized in moped, so you can see this one. Oh my god. This is the one I was looking at through the window. And they have a big selection of helmet. Yeah, that's pretty heavy. But it's finally here. The second Sur Ron, the yellow one, the only one that they order. 120 Sur Ron, and it's the only one that's yellow, so pretty happy about it. Let's unbox this. So there you go. I finished upgrading everything I had on hand. So the handlebar, the grips, I changed the brake pad, 56 tooth sprocket. I added some fender, this one as well, and the peg. And we also went with the reinforced bash plate from Luna Cycle. It's looking pretty nice. Maybe I'm gonna fit the black one on it because it's like all black and yellow, but Not decided yet. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're gonna get yourself a Sur Ron in the near future, you can at least expect to know what's in the box. So thanks for watching. Have a nice one. Peace out.